you work with a whole bunch of tables and columns and logics. And because you want them to run faster, instead of writing everything in your select statements, you will store them in this temporal table expression, right? So you start with width, and basically what you're telling what you're telling SQL is this is a CTE I'm creating. And then you give it a name, right? So in this case, what I want us to do is almost what we did with the subquery. We are going to just get their average monthly salary, and we will then do a condition to say that check if their salary is higher than their average monthly salary. If the monthly salary is higher than their average salary, then they should be included in whatever result we want to see. Almost the same thing as a subquery, but in this case, we are using a CTE to handle it, and they both do the same thing. CTE is also then faster because it's not within the select statement, it's outside. So it runs that quickly, saves it, and then comes and runs your select statement. And because you're going to reference your CTE in your select statement, just does the same thing as I've explained in the subquery. So you say width and you give it a name. So we can name it average salary. Your CTEs always have a name. So we name it with average salary. So we are saying the name of our CTE, or the common table expression, is this average salary. Then you use the keyword as and the brackets to then create whatever logic you want. But basically what we want to do in this CTE is we just want to get the average salary for every employer, right? So you then start with the select statement. So select, then we use the average keyword so that it can get the average. And then we want the average salary. Right now, if you run everything from select or from employee salary, it's going to give you their yearly salary. This is their yearly salary, but I want their monthly salary. So I will do something like, it's the average of the monthly salary I want. So I would, to get their monthly salary, I'll divide their yearly salary by 12, right? And then we can name this a monthly salary. So we close this. We can call it the average monthly salary. And just say average monthly. And we are doing it from employee salary. Okay, and then we close the bracket. So we've created our first CTE. So basically what we're saying here in this CTE is, in our database, in the employee salary, just get the average monthly for all the employees. Don't worry about any other thing.